Well, Acero Precision's been in business for 35 years now, and over that period of time we've developed a very strict and precise clientele that demands the best. We work in the orthopedic market, making spinal implants. We also make industrial parts for underwater oil and gas clients, and we also serve the racing community, making a lot of components for Formula One racing cars and a lot of the NASCAR cars that are competing. And I guess my dream was to create a world-class manufacturing facility and employ American workers in the skilled trades that paid great wages and gave a great opportunity for growth. And in fact, Acero has grown 13% a year for 27 years now. That's our compound annual growth rate. This year we're actually up 22% over the best year we ever had. And so we continue to grow, and we couldn't do that without great partners like LNS. Acero faces a lot of obstacles in the marketplace. It's very competitive. The price of labor in the United States is very high, one of the highest in the world. So our challenge is to extract the labor out of the cost of making the product. And LNS helps us to do this in several ways. One is that we use their automatic bar feed machines so that the material would be advanced into the machine without a machinist being present. We also use the chip conveyor product, the turbo chip conveyor, so that we don't have to stop the machine to clean out the scrap. And the third is we use their series of mist collectors to clean the air to make a better environment for our employees. We don't tend to shop the field. We tend to meet a supplier, develop a relationship with them, and then partner with them. And I can't think of a better company to partner with than LNS in the machining industry.